That was one of the worst experiences I ever had.
She fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like
It is right now, the time is 5:22. It's another day. Today is Valentine's Day. I would have showed y'all being getting her gift and whatever this morning. Well, I showed y'all the gift. I didn't show y'all me giving it to her. But anyway, she loved it, all that good stuff. Right now I'm at Real Canadian Superstore because I thought she was gonna hit this car. I'm at Real Canadian Superstore right now because I came to get a few of those stuff for like the meal that we're making this evening. I come to get shrimp, 4 lobster tails. I might want big potatoes. I ain't too sure. And I gonna try to see if I can find like parsley flakes and stuff like that. Just small little things. So let me hurry up and get in because outside cold, y'all. When I tell y'all outside cold. So we gotta hurry up and get this stuff. Okay, we on a mission. It looks like they only have this big shrimp. 8, 7. So I got the shrimp, I got the lobster tails. I only got 4 lobster tails, and I want to get like a few big potatoes, but I don't even know if we could use that today. I feel like I'm kind of overdoing it. Like I want these guys come in like the thing already. Then what else? I'm gonna go and get like parsley flakes. I think that's pretty much it. Parsley flakes and that about it. Let me get some chives, some parsley flakes. I think we got a black pepper already. I think that's all I can get for no chives and parsley flakes. See, I'm overdoing it. So to the cash register we go. Just remembered that I used the last set of 100 this morning. So I can get this cheap honey for now. Y'all be ready to go. Guys, look at my Valentine's Day gift. Valentine's Day roses. So cute. And then my girlfriend also got me these cupcakes. One of them is like tilted over right now, but they are so pretty. They look so nice. And then what else? She got me a nice pajamas and a robe from La Vie en Rose. I'll probably show y'all that either, but it's just like a normal pajamas, not like too risky or anything, just a normal silk pajamas and a black robe to wear with it. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take some pictures of this. don't know.
So I was trying to do that. Married at first sight. See, that I don't know.
Hey y'all, I feel like I haven't talked to y'all forever, and I actually haven't. Today's February 21st. I'm actually just leaving work. It is now 2:28 right now. The time is now 2:28. Was supposed to be leaving work at this time to head to my ultrasound appointment. I think I did kind of tell y'all that I was just trying to get myself in routine with this whole like PCOS situation, and just wanted to like make sure everything was okay, see like where everything is at this point, blah blah blah. So got my appointment today. So the requirements for the appointment is an ultrasound. So for ultrasounds, which I recently learned about, you have to like have a full bladder because it allows like these sound waves or whatever to like be heard more clearer, something like that effect, something to that effect. They told me like how much water I should drink and stuff like that. I didn't really pay attention to like working out how much water I should drink. I just know that she told me that by 2 o'clock. The lady just told me that by 2 o'clock I should have a full bladder. I would say that by 2 o'clock I had a full bladder, but y'all, I had to pee so bad. I was at work trying to like focus and pay attention to what I'm doing, and you know, but y'all, I couldn't do it no more. I couldn't do it no more. What I was saying was, so yeah, I did have a full bladder by 2 o'clock. Y'all, I just had to pee. Like I couldn't even kid y'all. Like I just had to pee so bad, and then it was like, all right, Tara, like I want to tell y'all, like I had to get it. At first I was saying no, but when I was saying no, I was focusing on it way too much. I was like really focusing on the fact I had to pee, and there's no way that I could have like just do my work at my desk, like sit down and do my work at my desk, because I couldn't focus. Like I couldn't focus, and I was fidgeting. I was like squeezing my legs together, like just everything, y'all, just doing the most. I was like, nah, I need to pee. So I was like, all right, you know what, let me go and pee a little bit, which is dumb because everybody know, and when you start to pee, you don't ever like stop peeing, you get what I mean? Anyways, y'all, I at home right now. Oh, the reason I'm going home is because I will tell y'all when I get back, because I just want to get this real quick. We back in the car. I like, oh no, I got pee so bad. So yeah, I can't do it. I don't know if maybe I would have tried to do it when I was at home, but I can't focus. I was like, suppose I like wet myself in the people workplace. What the fuck? You don't know how to hold your pee? And it's not even I don't know how to hold my pee. It's that I have to hold my pee, and it's too much. But anyways, y'all, so that's what happened. And I'm going to the bathroom a little bit. I was alright, I good. Then I went back to my desk, start like drinking more water. Like, oh, I didn't start drinking more water. I was like, let me just wait, and then when I leave work, I'm gonna start to drink more water to like replace the water that I had used or whatever. But then I get back on my desk and I was trying to do my work. I had to go pee again, y'all. And this time it hit me worse. It's because, and the reason it hit me worse is because I obviously get a little teaser. You know what I mean? Like I obviously get a little teaser. So now I got pee real bad. Like I so I know I as soon as I sit down, y'all, when I tell y'all I sit back down on my desk, I log back in to the computer and I had to get up again. This time I dashing to the bathroom, y'all. And I am very sorry, but when I went to this bathroom the second time, I couldn't hold back. I could not hold back. I couldn't hold back this time, y'all. And when I tell you that I emptied my bladder, I was like, oh my god, Tara. Oh, and then when I was packing up my stuff, and lucky, y'all, I so lucky that I was telling myself like early on that I should leave earlier than I like expected to. Lucky enough that I started to like pack up my bag at like 15 or something like that. And I'm so glad, y'all, because I was packing up my bag, just trying to make sure that I got everything. And then come to find out that, oh, another thing I was checking for, because you know, like when you're going to, like, when you get like a referral or whatever, or you get sent to go and see like a certain type of specialist or doctor or whatever, you have to take like the paper that you were given at the doctor. So I was making sure that I just had it. Then I was like, y'all, I could not find my freaking purse. And my purse had in my ID and my Alberta health card, which is something that I would definitely need to give them. I need my healthcare card because that's the only way that I can get this service done today. And I need my ID too. Not even going to lie to y'all, that was one of the worst experiences I ever had. My camera on 4%, but I try to talk real quick. That was one of the worst experiences I ever had. Y'all, I had to pee so bad. When I went to this place, I get into the complexity, whatever, I could not find this place. I couldn't see a sign, I couldn't see nothing. As soon as I get inside the complex, it just was like, oh, you've arrived. Y'all know how the GPS is, you've arrived. Like, you've arrived where? All I do is turn in the car park. They got so many different businesses around me. Couldn't figure out where I had to go. There was no signage, nothing. I parked so far from where I needed to be, then I had to run. All that running, y'all, is what made me have to pee so bad. I went to one person that was like a restaurant, asked them where the diagnostic center is, the imaging center is, and then they were like, oh, it behind the liquor store. Gone on behind the liquor store now, can't find nothing. All this is garbage cans out here. Like, if I ain't supposed to be here. I went to a medical place. No, I was telling myself, oh, maybe that's it. Maybe it's this medical clinic or whatever. Nope. As soon as I get in the medical clinic and the woman see me pull out my little paper, the paper that I just gotta bring, she was like, I know girl, you're so close. But she was like, nah, this is not the place. And she told me next to the hair salon or something like that. Y'all, that place was tucked away, no sign. Yeah, a little sign was on the door, but it was like no big signs. Nobody was gonna know to go behind it, the back of the place with the garbage cans to take that the center was behind it. And luckily I wasn't late, because really truly my appointment was at 3:15. I totally forgot about that, but my appointment was really at 3:15. But I had put in my thing that my appointment was at 3 o'clock. I totally forget I was for 3:15. So when I walk in at like 3:07, I was still on good time. But y'all, I went in there. I told she listened to me, I need to pee. And she was not moving fast enough, and I was like, no, I need to go right now. I need to pee right now. She was like, let me see if the lady ready for you. When she said so, I was like, no, I have to go right now. She showed me part of the bathroom, because y'all, as I was standing up talking to that pee was coming down. Y'all, that was such a bad experience. Like, I don't even want to talk about it because I would cry.